everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. I am back. I have got a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and this is a lot of Christmas stuff. I am super stoked. Very excited about all of the Christmas stuff that I'm seeing at Dollar Tree. And it is going to enable me to do some really cool and long overdue DIY projects for you guys. Also, I've got some exciting news. The pergola is finally starting tomorrow. So hopefully within the next month or so, because I have to have time for the wood to cure and everything before I can paint it, but you will see my final front porch in front of my house renovation DIY video. So super excited about that one too. I voted yesterday. I stood in line for 4.5 hours, and it was worth every single moment. So if you guys have not voted yet, or your early voting has not started yet, then when it does, I highly recommend you guys to take advantage of it. All right, let's get into the DIY. They had some really cool, fun stuff. They had some great ornaments. I don't know if you guys have seen these ornaments yet or not, but how cool is that? It's like a, I don't know if it's like a barbed wire fence or like an antler wreath with the deer on top of it. But I think I'm going to tweak it just a little bit. I think I'm going to paint it and play around with it, but super cute, right? Super cute. They have garland. They have Dollar Tree garland, and it's 15 feet of garland. And I grabbed like 4 bundles of this because I'm going to be doing a project with those coming up. And I thought, why not? They have local university flags, like college football flags, at my Dollar Tree. And this is Georgia Bulldogs. Go Dogs. So I had to grab one of those because it was a freaking $1. And I'm just going to put that outside on the house. I'm going to show you these, what's in this bag later, because I think there's another one in another bag. Let's see. I grabbed some of these ornament packs, the red trucks. I thought they were super cute. I have a DIY project coming up for this. I saw something on Kirkland's and I was like, oh no way, I'm paying. It was like $25, so I'm gonna dupe it with these. So more to come there. How cute and adorable is this? It's a 3-dimensional red truck. It has a Christmas tree in the back. It has a great star. It's one of those, I forget what this stuff is called, tinsel wreath something. But like, it's 3-dimensional. It's even got a plastic bottom. Like, I wish the truck rolled. And there's even windows in the truck. But how cute is that? And I honestly thought, when Christmas is over, you could rip the Christmas off. You could take the tree out of the back of the truck, and then you'd have a cute little red truck to be able to use for whatever holiday you want. So, super cute. If you can find those, definitely look for those. They are there. I grabbed some of these string lights. I grabbed the copper one and the silver one. Anytime I see these, I always pick these up because they're super handy, and especially with some Christmas DIYs. I have this vintage crystal Christmas tree that usually, at one time, it had Christmas lights in the bottom of it, but they no longer work. And I'm going to fire up one of these and pop it in there. I think it'll be gorgeous. So that'll be a DIY, I guess. I found a 20 light mini, it's a battery operated Christmas light set that I have a DIY project idea for. I found a package of Jingle Bells. I have a Christmas idea for a project, and I don't know if these bells will work or not, but I got another kind of bell also. Let's see what else. This is something that I saw last year. I waited, and then when I wanted one, I couldn't get it, so I did go ahead and get it this year. It's just an oversized kind of a silver deer. They had it in gold, they had it in red, and I think this is going to be the centerpiece for a wreath. I did a buffalo check wreath not too long ago, and I think that will look really beautiful in the center of it. And it has like the deer horns and stuff on it. I think you guys have seen it. I'll link the video in here in the below description if I remember. If not, please call me out and let me know. I'll try and remember. What else? This was interesting. I'm going to probably take the Greatest Dad sticker off the bottom of it, but it's like a buffalo check fabric frame. And it's got the clip there to hold the picture. And then you can see the little banner on there that says Greatest Dad Ever. But I think that's just a sticker. So I'm just going to peel that off. And then I have a Christmas buffalo check picture frame, like that I didn't even have to do anything for. I thought that was cute. They have, there's 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is right now because they packed my bags really weird. Check out that. It's a little, it's got a suction cup lid thing even to it. So it's just a little jar, but it's got a chicken on it. I thought it was super cute, kind of farmhousey. And I am going to keep this at my coffee bar, but I have one more that's in another bag. I don't know how these are gonna work or not, but, and I did buy 2 of them and I bought the same pattern, but it's an LED projection light. And it's got an on-off switch. It does take batteries. I think it takes 3 batteries. And it projects that image. It's going to be really hard to see. Up on the wall. And I thought that could be super cute on the outside of my house. It probably is going to go on the front porch. And I bought 2 of them with the exact same pattern because I thought that 2 of them might light it up a little better. I don't know. We'll see how it works, but they have a snowman, they have that scene, and I think they have like a Rudolph or something. So again, could be super cute. It's Dollar Tree though, so you know. Sometimes here's the other one actually. So it's the same pattern, just 2 of them because I thought 2 of them would be more powerful together. That was the one thing I was looking for down in there. So we'll show those later. I found more of these little red truck lights. So I grabbed those. They have mittens, they have Santa Claus, they have candy canes, and then I saw the red truck. And I grabbed one of these before in a previous haul, so I grabbed those. I thought that these little wood puzzle sets were super cute. And I thought that I could do something with them. I don't know what. I have really no idea yet on what I'm going to do with them. But I bought 2 of them because I just liked the shapes. And I thought the triangle would look cute as like a miniature tree. And I may end up doing that in a, like if I used a little twig or something as the you know, the tree. What is it? The tree, the stand, the legs of the tree. Maybe in a snow globe. But I don't know. So we'll see there. These could just end up going in the stash and never to be seen again. Sometimes that happens. Let's see what else. Great Christmas picks. They had some really cute Christmas picks. And again, using a DIY. My boo is coming to see me on Thursday and staying for a long weekend. So I got to clean the bathroom. So I got those. I actually do like the Dollar Tree bathroom cleansers. So they usually work pretty good. A wood cutout, they have a snowflake, they have a Christmas tree, they have a stocking. I want to say they have a Santa face and a candy cane. So I grabbed the snowflake because again, I had an idea for a center of a wreath. I did not see these at Thanksgiving. I'm done with all my fall decorating, but I thought that these could still be really cute for maybe even something for, I mean, fall's not technically over yet, so, but little gourds, like pumpkins and gourds. I had seen the pumpkins, but I had never seen the gourds before, and there was just one little package waiting on me. So I snagged that. I grabbed some of these little presents. This is a, these are ornaments, and these are going to be on a DIY project that I'm working on right now. Another deer ornament. This one is just this kind of the head, I guess. And I saw a Kirkland's ornament that I was like, there's no way I'm doing that. Paying, I think it was like $12. And that one is like, that one was $1. Also, Dollar Tree receipts. If you guys are not familiar with Fetch Rewards, you should definitely download it. I will include a link below because I get a referral credit. And you can basically redeem your receipts, grocery store receipts, Dollar Tree receipts, Walmart receipts, Home Depot receipts, any kind of receipt that you have. If it's not a receipt that's in their participating program, they'll still give you some points towards earning gift cards. So like you shop and then you scan your receipt and then you earn points to get gift cards to go shopping with some more. It's kind of dumb. I've made almost $200 in Amazon gift cards to be able to go shopping with just by scanning my receipts. So definitely scan your Dollar Tree receipts and check the link below for the Fetch Rewards app. It's super, super cool. All right, let's see what else. If you guys are looking to decorate a Christmas tree and you need to do that on a budget, now is when you need to go to Dollar Tree because they have ornament packs and they have multiple colors. And like this pack, as you can see, there's kind of like a shiny, there's a glitter, there's a little bit of a matte one, and then the same with this. You can get some fantastic ornament packages and not spend a fortune. I've decided I'm not gonna set up a big giant tree this year. I'm gonna set up my grandmother's ceramic tree, and I'm gonna set up a small, like little 3-foot tree. And then I probably have a little gnome tree that I'm gonna set up too. And that's it. I'm not gonna set up my big 6-foot one this year. And you know, that in those 3 trees, that's going to be plenty for my little house. But if you're on a budget and you're wanting to be able to still decorate for Christmas, guys, that's a great way to do it. Definitely check out those ornaments at Dollar Tree. So this bag has some other Dollar Tree florals in it. The Christmas florals are starting to come out, and I've got an idea that I want to do. And I love these poinsettias. I bought these last year as well. So that one is one coming up. There's some more of that Garland I told you about. It's 15 feet, and I think I bought 4 packages. So again, super, super cute. Additional Dollar Tree picks. I thought they were super cute, and they matched those other florals that I just pulled out. So again, super cute. Easy way to decorate something. And I have a really cute idea for those. So that is coming soon. And this is the other package of Jingle Bells that I bought because I'm not sure if that first package is going to work or not. So I also grabbed these. But this is a 9-pack, like a 9-piece set. That's pretty cool. And they had these in silver and they also had them in gold. So that is another cool thing I grabbed. Here's that other ceramic little canister thing that I found. Again, it's got the rubber seal on it, so I think it'd be really cute for like tea or something, or maybe even like Splenda packets, or like, yeah, like Splenda, Sweet and Low, that type of stuff. And this one says blessings on it, and there was one more that had cactuses on it. It was really kind of random. So I think I'm gonna DIY one of those. I found the cutest little ceramic tray, and there was only 3 of them left, and one of them was a J. So it's backwards now, but it's a J. And my name is Jamie. So I thought that would be a cute one to have. And it's just going to be a knick-knack. I'll probably put my rings or something in it maybe. I don't know. Let's see. All right. I found it was literally the last one hanging on the peg. I freaked out. It's not as cute, I don't think, as the Thanksgiving truck that came out. The Thanksgiving truck, I think, was so much cuter. But I can work with this one still. And what I like about it is if I wanted to pluck that tree off, and I'm probably going to pluck that tree off, you can do that really easily. I have one of the Thanksgiving trucks left as well that I'm probably, well, I've already painted it, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so I'm going to probably revamp it. But anyway, that's coming soon. I bought some more of those. I'm not going to unwrap them because they're all wrapped up. But you know those clear glass candle like vases, the clear vases? I bought one large one with the fluted top and then a smaller one without the fluted top. They didn't have the 2. I wanted a large and a small with the straight edge, but they didn't have it, so I had to settle for that. But I'm doing an etching project that I think will look really cool, and that is coming up soon. And then these are the things that I bought that I wasn't going to show you. I got to dip out a frame real quick. Ugh. I hurt my back today, y'all. On top of everything else, I had to go to the chiropractor today. And yeah, I'm not very happy about that, but I'm falling apart. What can I say? The facial cleansing brush, I don't know if you guys have seen this yet or not, but they had these at my Dollar Tree store, and I bought a couple of them so I could give them for gifts for like stocking stuffers and stuff. So I bought 3 of those, and those are coming soon. Hopefully, I had never seen them in the stores before, so they were brand new. So I'm hoping that y'all will start to see them as well. And then I found the Aroma Diffuser. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet or not. But this, I think, is battery operated. I'm sure it is. It's from Dollar Tree. And it's funny, I didn't see any oils, though, but I have some at home. And I have a plug-in oil diffuser here in the living room, but I thought this could be really nice for the bedroom. So I bought them, and then I did buy a couple of those also for gifts as well, because I thought that they would be super cute. And then the last thing I bought is also for an upcoming DIY project, and it's just a simple white plate. Simple white plate, but I've got some really cool stuff from a company called A-Makers that I'm going to be doing some etching and different things with. So that is another project to come up as well. But as you can see, I have a pretty nice haul here. And again, if you guys haven't done it yet, download Fetch Rewards, because it's such a good way for you to earn points where you can literally redeem those points for gift cards. And you can go shopping, you can get restaurant gift cards, you can get all kinds of different gift cards. And I don't know about you, but I love to shop. So get busy. All right, guys, this is my haul, and look for a new DIY project video coming out this Saturday. All right, guys, thanks.